Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet transfers. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer Tether USDT from your Tangem wallet to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving so fast, this guide will keep you ahead of the curve, making sure your transfers are smooth, secure, and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. It's that sleek, hardware-based wallet that's all about security. Log in with your PIN or biometrics, and navigate to your Tether balance. You'll see your USDT holdings right there. Double-check that you have enough to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Next, hop over to your Coinbase wallet. This is where the magic happens, so open the app and go to the Receive section. Copy the Tether address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be extra careful not to miss any characters. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it in both apps to avoid any mix-ups. Now, back in Tangem, select the Send option for your Tether. Paste that Coinbase address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the transaction details, including fees. 2025 networks might have dynamic pricing based on congestion. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a fingerprint or code. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your Tangem app for confirmation status. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet. Your Tether should appear in your balance. Awesome job! A quick word of caution: always use a secure Wi-Fi connection for these transfers, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to Tangem or Coinbase support. They're pretty responsive in 2025. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered transferring Tether between wallets. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.